I wake up with your name in my head, like a prayer I forgot that I said. Every moment feels fragile now, like glass about to hit the ground. I've been running from the truth, that the best things break too soon. I'm holding on to you, like the night holds on to stars. I'm scared of losing everything that's right here in my arms. If loving you means I could fall and shatter everything I knew, I'd still take all the pain just to keep holding on to you. I've seen the dark inside my days, I watched good things slip away. Now every smile you give to me feels like something I should keep. I don't wanna take this for granted. Every breath feels borrowed, and I'm holding on to you, like the ocean to the shore. Afraid that one day I'll wake up and you won't be mine anymore. Loving you means I could fall and lose the ground beneath my shoes. I still walk into the fire just to keep holding on to you. If tomorrow takes you away, if the world decides to change, no, I loved you with my whole heart. Even fear couldn't pull us apart. I'm holding on to you with everything I have inside. If beautiful things